Why did you bring the epileptic children to laser tag?
Show me a piece of your heart, a piece of your love. I'm calling you up.
Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So first things first, I hope you're all doing fantastic and having such a good week. And if you're not, I hope it gets better, and maybe this video will help with that a little bit. So today we're going to be talking about mukbangs, or mukbang YouTubers. In my opinion, pretty weird stuff. Some of you guys may think otherwise, but I'm going to tell you guys why I feel the way I do. So you may think to yourself, well, mukbang is literally just people eating on camera. A lot of people do that all the time. There's nothing wrong with it. And for the most part, I'd agree with you. But there are those few special snowflakes that take this whole thing to the next level. And I'm going to show you guys a couple examples on why I think it's gross. But just to add another layer to this video, I'm not only going to be doing mukbang YouTubers, just food review cringe in general, because it's absolutely hilarious, and watching it just only slowly makes me want to lose my sanity. Beautiful, Joey. Good job.
Hi everyone, it's Joe from Joey Super Cool Food Reviews. I'm back.
Is it just me, or is everyone else watching the clip of this man eat making them extremely uncomfortable? I mean, watching some 950-pound guy scarf down a piece of chicken while going, after every single bite can kind of have a toll on you. But hey, I'm not a food reviewer. What do I know? I wonder if Joey has like a wife or a girlfriend or something. That's not a shot or anything. I'm generally concerned if he has a significant other, because I am interested to see how they would respond to what he does on camera. Like, I'm the one who just did it, and it already makes me feel uncomfortable.
Up in your face with a crazy blast of meat and cheese deliciousness, and if I can just quote my boy Joey,
Crazy blast of meat and cheese deliciousness. Like, who says things like that? I mean, I understand that he's reviewing a burger and he's being descriptive, but I don't think those words were necessary. All he had to say was, there's cheese on this burger, and I'm going to stuff it inside of my face and tell you what I think.
You can hear the crunch, right? Oh, sorry. They were just telling me to turn down the crunch next to me.
Oh, nah. If you're gonna make jokes, at least make them funny. Okay, listen, I know I just laughed, but that doesn't count, okay? I made myself laugh because I'm just so funny. But anyway, this guy's making me feel uncomfortable in ways that I can't even understand, so we're just gonna go to the next one and just pretend this didn't happen.
I am just in my car by myself, but I am going to be drinking a Fiji water to see if this bottle of water can make my life better. Now let's drink it. Let's drink this vaporwave water. Tastes like water.
I never understood why people flex on each other with Fiji water as it's some sort of form of royalty. Like, I've met people at school who tell me,
Hey man, I got Fiji water. What kind of water do you drink? Probably that normal stuff, 'cause you're poor.
okay, well, maybe that's not exactly how the conversation went, but you get the idea. I just always found it kind of funny that the concept of you spending more money on some sort of necessity like water will make you somehow cooler, considering you spent more money on a product you can get for a less price. I mean, I know people are going to argue and say, well, it tastes different. It's water, but it has a different flavor to it. It tastes better. Okay, look, at the end of the day, it's still water. Like, I've had the same sort of conversation with people who buy things like Gucci and Supreme. Like, imagine spending hundreds of dollars on a white shirt with a red box with the word Supreme inside. Like, just imagine doing that.
I could deep throat this pizza right now.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I know this is a little bit shorter than usual, but people like short videos because they're a lot quicker to watch than spending 20 minutes watching the same exact topic. So, short videos and more posts, I think, is the move. Although that doesn't mean I'm not going to post any long videos. Just look at the video I posted before this one. I think it was like 10-15 minutes long, so that's pretty decent. I also wanted to say a majority of the clips in this video were taken from a YouTube channel by the name of Cringe. That's Kringe. He's got about 260,000 subs. So the clips in this video were off of the channel Cringe. I didn't put all these together on my own. This is a compilation by this person, Cringe, on the platform. You can find it. You can like it. I'll leave his link down in the description below if you want to check him out and check out the original video. So, hope you guys have a great day. Love you. Mwah. Bye.
Today we will be reviewing Kraft Miracle Whip.
Down, down, down. Da, 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 da.